Struggling with dry breaking hair? Want a simple style that promotes growth and keep your hair healthy? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to do perfect flat twists step by step while sharing how this style helps with hair growth. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your technique, this tutorial is for you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do flat twist as a beginner. Before we start twisting, let's go over to the tools and products you'll need. A rat tail comb for clean parting, a moisturizing cream or leave-in conditioner to keep your hair hydrated, a lightweight oil to seal in moisture and add shine, a styling gel or edge control for sleek and frizz-free results, clips or band to keep your sections organized. Okay, some of these things are optional, like for the lightweight oil I just use shea butter. All right, starting with moisturize. The tangled hair is key. Dry hair breaks easily, so always hydrate before styling. Now that we've done that, let's go to sectioning the hair. Now let's part the hair for a clean, polished look. Use your rat tail comb to create a straight part from the front to the back. If you're a beginner, you can use hair clips to keep the sections neat. The number of sections depends on how full you want the twist to look. If you want smaller, more defined twists, create more sections. For a bigger, chunkier look, make fewer sections. For this tutorial, I'm going to be doing this style. I already made something at the back, okay, and I'm just going to flat twist at the front. That's the reason why you're seeing me section at the front only. Now this is how to flat twist. Take your first section and apply a small amount of moisturizer and gel to make the hair smooth and frizz free. Then divide the section into 2 equal strands. To start the flat twist, begin twisting the 2 strands over each other while gradually picking up small amounts of hair from the section as you move down the scalp. Unlike cornrows that use 3 strands, flat twists only make use of 2 strands, making them easier and faster to do. Keep your grip firm but not tight. I always say this. Tight twists can lead to breakage and tension. Continue twisting all the way down and secure the ends by twirling them with your fingers or using a small palm rod for extra curl definition. Now let's go over the process again. Get your section, divide it into 2 equal strands, and to start the flat twist, begin twisting 2 strands over each other like I am doing in this video. While you are doing that, make sure you are gradually picking up small amounts of hair from the section as you move down the scalp. Okay, this is not like cornrows where you are using 3 strands. We are just using 2 strands here, and it's going to make it very easier and faster. Okay, not like cornrows where you have to struggle. I feel like flat twists are way easier to do than even cornrows. Like, they are easier to learn. If you can twist, like if you can do 2 strand twists, you will not have issues with flat twisting. The only place where you have issues is you grabbing the other hair, like as you move towards the end, like towards the scalp. That's the only issue, and with constant practice you're going to be very good with that. Okay, flat twists are not just stylish, they are also an amazing protective style that keeps your hair moisturized, tangle free and low manipulation, which helps retain length. Now these are the benefits of flat twists to hair growth. First, they keep your hair in a low manipulation state, reducing breakage. Second, they lock in moisture, keeping your strands hydrated. And third, they protect your ends, which is crucial for length retention. If you are trying to grow your hair, consistency is key. Protective styles like flat twists paired with good hair care can make a big difference. Once all your sections are twisted, apply a little extra oil for shine and scalp nourishment. To keep your twist lasting longer, wear a satin scarf or bonnet at night. This prevents frizz and keeps your hair protected. Flat twists can last up to a week with proper care, and when you take them down, you get a gorgeous defined flat twist style. And that's it. Your perfect flat twist for hair growth are done. If this tutorial helps you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button for more hair care and styling twists. What's your favorite protective style? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.